Hello, fifth grade families. This is Mrs. Morse, and I am representing our fifth grade teachers. And we are here to say that even though this kind of came up quickly, I really feel like our students are pretty prepared for today and for Monday. And so, really, they only need their computer, a paper, and pencil. Other than that, I think they are ready to go. Just make sure their computer is charged. There are two places that they need to check. The first one is Google Classroom, and they can access that in their class link. And so once they click that, they will be able to see all their classes. And so this is my spread of classes since I'm the teacher. So I have all of my ELA classes. The good thing about this is Mr. Kennard and Ms. Deschamps has asked that all students, if they can, they need to join the Google Meet for the class at that class time. So for my second and third ELA period class, they will have to join my Google Meet around 8 a.m. That's when we usually start. So, what they will do, again, it's not a requirement, it's just a good support. If you have any questions, the kids can just pop on, ask the teacher live in person via Google Meet. And so they will get to their class, and this little button right here is what they will click on. So again, it will only be available during that class time. So this second and third period, if they miss that, let's say they wake up at 10 a.m., that class would officially technically be over, and I would be in my fourth and fifth ELA period. So if that happens, that's okay. I am still available. The best way to reach me, if it is not their class time or any other teacher, their math teacher, science teacher, social studies, is through their email. And so I know we haven't had a lot of practice with email. So they should find their email in ClassLink. It'll be MCPS Outlook. Once they click on that, their username and password will be the same as their computer login. They will click on that and they will sign in, and they can find their teacher by just typing in their last name. I will say for Miss Brady, it will not be A Brady at murrayk12.org. It'll be L Ables. So just keep that in mind, just so if you're needing Miss Brady, then you can do that. But everyone else, it should be just type in their last name and you should be able to send an email to your teacher. That's the best way. Now, if it is your class time, then you need to get to that Google Classroom and you need to click join. That is if you need help or questions, just make sure it's that class time. Again, even if it's not the class time, that doesn't mean you can't contact your teacher. You just need to do that in the email. If you have any questions, just let us know. Again, we are available through Remind, through email, through Google Classroom. Most of your work for all your classes will be under your Google Classroom in Classroom. In the classwork. So for ELA, you should have your assignment for Wonders in your writing notebook, and we also have some instructions via video that we really encourage you to look at. For math, same thing. You need to go to your Google Classroom for math and look at the classwork for your work that day. And the same goes for science and social studies as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email your homeroom teacher or your subject teacher or parents as well. You can get a hold of us through Remind. We want to be there to support and help you guys and continue our learning, even if we are at a distance. We hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and we will see you online as well on Monday.